Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can report someone on Scrabble Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To report someone on Scrabble Go, firstly go ahead and launch open your Scrabble Go application. The homepage of Scrabble Go application will appear on the screen. Now to report someone on Scrabble Go, tap on the person's name shown on the page. The person's profile will appear on the screen. Now click on little gear icon at the top right side of the page. From the pop-up, tap on Report right next to the Report Player option. Confirm reporting of a player by tapping on Report. This is how you can report someone on Scrabble Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.